Hey, it's Coach Angela here, and I am hiding in my office while there is a 5 p.m. fitness camp going on right now. I wanted to take this chance to record this video. I wanted to tell everybody thank you so much for all the food donations. We have so much food sitting out there. I'm so excited, and we are going to be able to bless some people this holiday season. So sometime this week I will be dropping it off to a food pantry that is in need. So I am calling around this week, finding out which one is in the who needs it the most, and that's where I'll be dropping it off. And I will let you guys know where, so that you guys can feel the blessing of what you guys have done. So again, thank you so much. We had a great turnout last week for our turkey busting workouts, and the person who won the t-shirt is Valerie. So congratulations, Valerie. And when you come in, please stop by my office, and I will make sure that we get a picture and you get your t-shirt, and then we'll get that picture in the next newsletter. So thank you for that. Tonight, actually in just a couple hours, right now it is 5:30, so pretty soon we're going to be having our 24-day challenge seminar. So I know there's about 10 of you that are signed up for that, so I'm excited. I think you guys are going to love this. If you aren't able to make it to the seminar tonight, that's okay. You can schedule a separate time to come and sit down with me, and I will go over the program with you, and we'll see if it will be a good fit. There is a page now on our website, our inspirationfitnesscamp.com website, or our crownpointpersonaltrainers.com website. There's a page for it on both of those, so you can get more details on that if you did miss the seminar tonight. The next thing I want to announce is something really exciting that we talked about today, the team, and that is trying to keep you guys focused and on track over the holidays. So we know that you guys are competitive, so we came up with a Christmas challenge. And what this challenge consists of, it's going to be for 4 weeks. It's going to start on the 1st, which is Thursday. And there's going to be several components to it, but what this is, it's going to be a partner challenge, because I think an individual challenge, it's too easy to quit. So we want you guys to partner up with someone, and you have until Thursday to figure out who that person's going to be. But we want you to partner with someone to do this challenge together, and we will give you all the details about that in a coming email. It's kind of hard to do over a video. It's easier to see it all laid out. But everyone's going to receive a form when they come in. They're going to let us know who their partner is. Now the cool thing is, everybody is going to win something small just for participating, to keep you guys motivated. But there will be a grand prize winner, and we're going to keep track of all the scores on the board in the little waiting area, so everyone can see at a glance where they're at. So it's going to be teams. You guys can come up with really cool names for your partner team, or just your names, whatever you want to do. But we want to have fun. We want to keep you focused. And every week of this challenge, there's going to be a little mini challenge for each week that you can win points for. So I'm going to be doing a lot more videos, a lot more education through the membership site, and then you'll be earning points for those challenges. So be on the lookout for that email. That's coming soon. But I just want to thank you guys from the bottom of my heart, because you guys are awesome. I was so excited when I came back from my grandma's and saw that big pile of food out there. That is so awesome. So thank you. And I just have to say that IFC rocks, but it's because of you. So thank you.